Good morning children. In this video we discuss about presence of starch in leaves. Aim of this activity to prove the starch is present in leaves. For this activity required materials are tripod stand, Bunsen burner, asbestos gauge, boiling tube or test tube, leaf, methylated spirit, beaker, water, petri dish, dropper and iodine solution. These are the required materials. Now, procedure of this activity. First we can place the tripod stand on the table. Then we can keep the Bunsen burner under the tripod stand. Put the asbestos gauge over the tripod stand and take a beaker. The beaker should be placed over the asbestos gauge. The beaker should fill 3/4 of water. After that, we can take a test tube or boiling tube. That boiling tube should be filled with 3/4 of methylated spirit. After that, we can select a leaf. That leaf should be well exposed to sunlight. We can take a thin and soft leaf from the plant. That leaf should be well exposed to the sunlight. That leaf should be placed in the methylated spirit. The test tube will place it in the beaker containing water. After that, we can boil the water with the help of Bunsen burner. After some time, water boiled. Due to the boiling water, methylated spirit is also heated. After some time, the leaf should be turned into pale color. After that, we can take the test tube from beaker carefully. After that, we can remove the leaf with the help of brush carefully. The leaf should be placed in the petri dish. After that, we can pour the few drops of iodine solution over the leaf. If the leaf changes, the leaf should be changes into blue-black color. The leaf should be changed into blue-black color. This indicate the leaves containing starch. So, in this activity, we can prove that starch is present in leaves. In this activity, the role of methylated spirit is the removal of chlorophyll. Removal of chlorophyll. What is the use of methylated spirit in this activity? The use of methylated spirit is removal of chlorophyll from leaf. So, this is the use of methylated spirit in this activity. Now, one precaution we should take while doing this activity, that is the methylated spirit should not boil directly over the flame because it should be burned. So, methylated spirit should be boiled over water bath in the beaker. So, remind it, this is the precaution while doing this activity. Another thing is also remember, sometime ask this question, what is the use of methylated spirit in the presence of starch in leaves? Answer is, the use of methylated spirit is the removal of chlorophyll from leaf.